Welcome friends. In this video I am going to tell about how bool function is going to be work. So here I am going to evaluate values and variables, how it is going to be written boolean data. Okay, in the true and false it is going to be written. Suppose print within print bool, within bool there is some data like 12. Okay, so when I am going to run it, see what is going to be written. It's a true. Okay, print bool, there is string data 40. Okay, and it is going to be written true. Fine. Then print, suppose there is a data x equal to 23 and y equal to 40. Print x, print y. Okay, so here x and y, it is written to the x and y. If I added here bool function, what is going to be written here? See, that's it, it returns to the true. Okay, so most of the cases when you are going to evaluate the bool, by help of the bool, if you evaluate the data, this data is returned in the form of true or false. Mostly it returns to the true. Okay, if you added here 0, then it is going to be written as a false. When you are going to added here x equal to 0, then print it as a bool x, that is a false. Most of the case the bool is written to the true, otherwise false. And the which cases is going to be written as a false in upcoming video you also see. That's it, how it is going to be evaluate the values and variables. And bool function allows you to evaluate any value and give you a true and false in return. Okay, any value it returns a blue true and false case. So I given here x and then run it, so it returns the false. Fine. So if you have any doubt, go through the comment box, type there. And mostly please like and share this video. Click on the bell icon. When I am going to upload any videos, future videos, you will also get the notifications. And click the subscribe button. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. Thank you.